In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stremio on a PC and laptop. To get started, open the Stremio application on your computer. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account, then give the app a moment to load completely. Once everything is ready, you'll land on the board page, which works as the home screen. This is where you can quickly get an overview of what's available, including featured content, recommendations, and items you've recently watched. Take a moment to browse through the content displayed on the board. If something catches your eye, click on a movie or TV show title to open its details page. Here you can review useful information like the synopsis, cast, and the available streaming sources. This makes it easier to decide what you want to watch before starting playback. Next, head back to the left sidebar navigation menu and click Discover. This section is designed to help you explore the catalog in different ways. You can browse movies and TV shows by category, narrow things down by genre, or sort through content based on popularity. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to find a specific title faster. You can also apply any available filters to refine the results and make browsing more efficient. When you find something interesting, open the title to view its details, and if you want to save it for later, add it to your library. After that, click Library from the left sidebar. This is where your saved movies and TV shows are stored in one convenient place. You can review everything you've added, open content to continue watching, and remove items you no longer want to keep. It's a helpful section for keeping your watch list organized. Now click Calendar from the navigation menu. In this area, you can view upcoming episodes for your saved TV shows and browse future release dates. If Stremio offers different calendar views, switch between them to find the layout that works best for you. From there, click Add-ons in the left sidebar. Browse the add-ons catalog, select an add-on you want to install, and click Install to add it to Stremio. You can also review your installed add-ons here and uninstall any you no longer need. Finally, open Settings from the navigation menu. Review the available options and adjust your video playback preferences, subtitle settings, appearance, hardware acceleration if available, and notification settings. Be sure to save any changes you make. Once that's done, return to the board and continue using Stremio. Thanks for watching.